Find features that distinguish it from other brands for iCarsoft Porsche V4.0 Bidirectional Diagnostic Tool. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. iCarsoft Porsche V4.0 Professional Bidirectional Diagnostic Tool for Porsche and 2 extra car brands. The iCarsoft Porsche V4.0 is an advanced bidirectional diagnostic tool built specifically for Porsche and 2 additional car brands of your choice, such as Benz, Audi, VW, Land Rover, and more. Designed for professionals and car enthusiasts. This device performs full system diagnostics, auto VIN scanning, bidirectional actuation tests, and 39+ specialized maintenance services, including 27 main resets plus 12 professional Porsche-specific functions. With OE-level diagnostic coverage, it can access engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, TPMS, and more, delivering real-time data in text and graph formats for precise troubleshooting. The Porsche V4.0 also supports battery registration, ECU adaptation, and custom calibration tests to ensure every system functions perfectly. Featuring lifetime free updates, 1-year warranty, and free hardware repair, this tool delivers dealership-grade performance and unmatched value, a must-have for Porsche owners, workshops, and DIY car technicians. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.